I've got a really big box and I've just got to take the sellotape off, and then I'm going to cut it up into squares because I'm making some parrot toys. I've been sitting here cutting that box up that I just told you about. Cutting it all in different shapes. As you can see, there's a big one, there's another big one. So I've been cutting the box up that I showed you, all different shapes. There's some here, there's some there. It's quite a lot of cardboard, but it's not all about just buying new toys. See, I've been cutting the box up that I showed you that I got from a parcel, and they're in all different shapes, as you can see. So I've got quite a lot of cardboard, and here's my rope, and I'm going to make some toys with this because it's not all about buying toys. Parrots don't care whether they're homemade or whether they're bought, as long as they can chew them, and this is a nice and easy thing to do. It doesn't cost a lot. I've just bought this rope and it cost me £7 for this rope. As you can see, there's tons of it, and it's the proper rope for a parrot, so it's not toxic or anything. It's the right stuff. And then obviously the cardboard is super, because when you buy a toy, most of the toys come with some sort of cardboard or shredding stuff. I've also got some Starbucks little cups that I've got from Starbucks. I had permission to take these, by the way. And I've also got some toilet rolls, empty toilet rolls, obviously, ready to go on. So it doesn't matter what you use. So this is free, and this is free because it's just a box that I got. And also the toilet rolls that I've been collecting, they're also free. So the only thing I've actually paid for is the rope. So I'm going to make a nice simple toy for my parrots, which they're absolutely going to enjoy. Because I don't believe in buying toys all the time. If I can make something, I will. And they'll enjoy it just as much. And I'll show you when I've done it. Make sure when you get a box to save it, make sure you take the sellotape off and save it. And if you've got a parrot, even a rabbit, or a guinea pig, a rat even, a pet rat or a hamster, they'd enjoy just chewing a bit of cardboard and making a toy out of it. So yeah, just think next time when you get a cardboard box to save it and make a toy. So as you can see, they now have all holes in them ready to put onto the rope. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. Here is the toilet rolls ready to go on the rope as well, and here is my lovely square shapes with holes in. I think they look really nice. Doesn't matter what shape you do, they don't care. And here is what I made. So here's the first one. As you can see, it's very, 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 very long, and here's the second one, as you can see, and here is the third one. So they're hanging up already in my playroom. I will be showing you when I've done all the revamping. As you can see, we are getting there. So this is another toy that has gone into the playroom, and my parrots are going to absolutely love all the new things. So there you go. This is my homemade toys.